back to my channel. So this is the last week in the collab, and we had to do bag toppers. So they had to be big, no smaller than a 4 and no bigger than a 5. So this is what I came up with. One is I did like enjoy and did some stars, and they had the inside of this, and I said, well, instead of throwing away the inside, I'm gonna use it, and so I put it here, and I took the birdie, and I put it on the inside of here, and then I did another one, and then I did what it says, sparkle. What does it say? Sparkle. above, up. Okay, I can't read. Above, all the sparkle. That's what it says. Oh my God, I can't read. I love it, and it has a camera. And then, and I had a camera. I forgot to put my I meant to put my flower here. So I'm gonna put a flower here. So, oops. So, there you go. And get a flower. And then the bag's gonna come with the bag toppers come with the bag. And so the bag here is about a 4x6 bag here. So that's the bag. And as you see, it fits it just quite well here. That's why. I said just why. It's not just why. It does fit it just fine. And all the back toppers will come with one. And this will conclude the end of a collab. Thanks for stopping by. And till next time, like and subscribe. See ya.